Hey everyone, and welcome to Windows Report, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix the Windows Update error code 0x8024A003 in no time. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to simply restart your computer. As simple as it may sound, it can fix a whole range of issues. So press the Windows button, then click on the power icon and select the restart option. Afterwards, you can check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to actually use the SFC and DISM scans. To do this, press the Windows button, type in CMD, then run command prompt as an administrator. Now in here, simply copy-paste the following commands that I posted in the description below, then press enter after each command. Note that the scans can take a bit of time, so don't lose your patience. Afterwards, just restart your computer and then you can check if the problem still persists. Next in line, another useful solution is to reset the Windows Update component. To do this, press the Windows button, type in CMD, then run command prompt as an administrator. Now in the command prompt window, make sure to copy-paste the following commands that I posted in the description below, each command one by one. So copy each command, press on enter, then go with the next one until the whole list is finished. Afterwards, restart your computer and you can check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to use the Windows Update Troubleshooter. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon. Afterwards, click on System on the left pane, and then on the right side, scroll way down until you find the Troubleshoot category. Now in here, click on Other Troubleshooters, and afterwards, click the Run button next to Windows Update. Windows will now try to detect any issues and fix them as soon as possible. Afterwards, you can restart your computer and you can check if the problem still persists. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.